When I tell you, I just broke my back doing that to really do some more cardio. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a little bit of a chill kind of video of sorting out my room. I had to get a new bed frame recently on my bed, so I have no bed drawers to put any of my stuff, so I've had to get some plastic drawers just to slide under the frame. So I thought I'd show you a little bit. I do have this new microphone, so if it sounds better or worse, let me know. Yeah, I'm just gonna get these plastic trays out the box and sort out my clothes. You can literally see them. Like there's more than these. I need to sort them out and then we will get going. Okay, so I've sorted them out a little bit with, I think I know what to do organisation wise. I think one bin is going to have Juicy Couture, because I have like, I think 7 Juicy Couture tracksuits. So I think one bin is going to have Juicy, next is going to have like, it's just mainly like, I think I'm going to put a lot of my knitted stuff and like my tracksuits and all that, I think are going to go in these. And then if I have enough room, maybe I'll put some more in there from behind where my other drawers are. But that's the plan of action. Juicy Couture tracksuits. This is kind of like more tracksuit bottoms. I have one top and then a full tracksuit in there. I do have more tracksuits, but they're in the, you see it, the washing basket. I have loads of stuff drying, so I can't put them in just yet. But I think what we're working with right now. I think I figured it out. So I've had to take this bracket off that was meant to be a part of the bed frame, but we had to remove it because it didn't fit. The bed currently is, because my mum didn't measure it. I moved that, that's out of the way. I can move this tray that's already in down, move the next one in. I don't think we're gonna fit 3. We can't double stack. I'm pretty sure we can't double stack them. So I think we're gonna have to just deal with 2 at the moment. This is not good for my knees. You know when you're just trying to do shit and everything's pissing you off? Why are they so hard to like move under the bed? I don't understand. It's the next day. So I was planning to tackle this mess on the side, but my camera died. So I was like, let me leave it, I'm going to chill out. I think that I am going to now, because it's a mess, it needs to be fixed. Because my room's a mess. I've also got this wrap that I got from Easy Skins, put onto my Switch. Luckily I got to do the whole Switch. It's literally just where the screen is, because I got the new OLED. Obviously I've got a case on it right now, but this is white in black, and I want it to be white, so I'm going to wrap it just so it matches everything. It's literally a mess. As good as it's gonna get right now. It's a lot better than it was before. So I think now I'm gonna just wrap my Switch. I've been dreading this, to be honest. do have a mid-year diary from July to July. I do like this one, but the only problem I'm having is just like the type of layout and stuff. Like I have used it, but I think I'm going to try and maybe get one that's like a spiral. Is it a spiral or like a spiral spine? I think I kind of want one from January to December. I think I'm going to just update my Kindle. Of course it's on low battery, because why would it not be on low battery? This is the back that I have right now. I do maybe want to change it, I'm not too sure. I've got Iron Flame. Into Iron Flame, if I'm honest. I started reading it like literally when it came out. I pre-ordered it and I've got like a little bit, I've got like a few chapters in, and I don't know why, but I just couldn't do it, so I've kind of like left that behind. I have a book that I do want to finish reading at some point next week. I'll save that for like a reading vlog and maybe do a reading vlog for that. These are the ones we have. So this one is from, I can't even say it, Papier. So I think I could stick with them. I could get one from Etsy, but I feel like Etsy takes so long to ship. The July to July isn't what I want. So I think hardback is what I've got now, yeah. So hardback is what I've got and I don't like. I do quite like actually this colour. Yeah, I would like that, but not in blue. I do quite like this colour, but I feel like actually, can we change this background? Why do I have this colour? I'm gonna get rid of. Yeah, I quite like that actually. I kind of prefer this one though, so we'll get rid of that.